everyone, it's TJ, your photographer big brother, and this is the series where I help you make better content. And today I have 3 TikTok posing videos for you in different situations. So the first one's gonna show you how to do poses with a wall. So either outside, next to a building, or inside using your own wall. The second one is hairography, so using your hair in photos to make it look interesting. And then the last one is just casual smiling poses that you can use. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments which pose is your favorite or which video version is your favorite. And enjoy. Wait, before you go, I know this video has officially ended, but it would help me out so much if you hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my content a little bit further and reach a little bit more people. And if you want to see more videos from me, consider hitting the subscribe button and the little bell button so you can get a notification when my next video comes. Comment something below if you feel like you want to, and if you haven't yet, check out one of these 2 videos. It'd make me the happiest person ever. Okay, I will catch you on the next one.